guys? So it's been a while since I've actually done a vlog. It's been, I'd say, a good month, maybe two. But reason being, I actually moved down to Jersey temporarily. This is to actually stay down at a relative's house for the winter. They don't use it. I figured this opportunity would be a good time to like come down here, find a job, bank some cash, and then next summer towards the end or the middle, not sure yet, depending on the bug I build, ton of other stuff that's in the works, whatever's going on then, but figured it's a good opportunity to come down here and stack some cash. So what was I gonna say? Oh, today's video, since I haven't done a vlog in a while, I actually really want to show you guys the new daily. And I just realized I actually forgot my mic, so the audio might be a little off. Overlook of this car and why I bought it. It's my 2007 Subaru Outback. It's a 5-speed. And tell you the story behind it, because it's a lot different than most people would ever expect, including myself. Alright, so this is going to be filmed later on in the video, but the whole reason I actually wanted to make this and tell you guys the story is I bought this car. Within like 3 weeks, it started to knock. Motor was cooked, bearings were shot, flakes in the oil. So my buddy Ryan at MR Performance, I hit him up, was like, dude, I just bought this car, it's mint, it was really low miles, the only reason why I did it. And we actually put a brand new Subaru OEM short block in here. Let's see if I can get the focus right. 0 miles, legit stuff. And yeah, so the car now has like 48,000 on it, and the short block has maybe 15, if that. So this car should seriously, knock on wood, because I cracked the head too like an idiot, but this car should last me a really long time, which is why I bought it. I was like, you know what, I don't need a brand new car. I could fix a lot of the stuff on this. It's cheaper on insurance, it's more cost effective. Besides the short block, I wasn't expecting that, obviously. But I'm in this car like 9-10K, which is definitely a lot, but I pay like $100 a month full coverage on it, so it's not bad. I mean, you compare that to a new car, I know people are paying like $350 a month just on insurance, not including the payment. So my eyes, it's a win. I'm gonna drive the hell out of it, and since it's older, I don't really care about beating on this thing, like taking it in the woods or anything. So that was it, the story in a nutshell. I'm gonna go to a spot that I like, and let's go. Alright, so this is it. It's nothing too fancy at all. It's a 2007 Subaru Outback. It's a 5-speed. I bought it with like, I think 32 or 34,000 miles on it from this old dude. But the car had a ton of problems. So I'm going to show you real quick, just a really fast walk around. It's nothing fancy at all. I bought this just as a really good commuter car. Obviously, I know these motors pretty well. I could turn almost everything on it. Just don't like doing the timing belt, water pump, stuff like that. I need to wash it. Honestly, I just get in this thing and I drive it, and it's nice. Like, I'm not used to that from having my yellow car, the Bug Eye, and then the older Outback that I slammed on like 18 by like 12s or 13s. But the plan with this is different. I also bought this car solely to do, besides like having another Subaru, to do a road trip. And I actually fit in the back with the seats down. I will show you guys. It's kind of funny. These go down. Yeah, it's just a good car and all, especially for road tripping, all-wheel drive. It's pretty good on gas, almost 30 miles to the gallon. But I'm actually gonna do like a stance video on this thing too, which will be funny because it's such a stock car. And if you haven't seen some of my stance videos, check them out. They're pretty freaking good. Hype myself up a little bit. And yeah. So this is the background for it. I like that. It's this big rusty barge that they actually still use for the trains. Sunset's gonna be soon down in actually Belmar, New Jersey. So if anyone is local on the shore, or even not too far, just hit me up. It's really not a bad drive to get back to like Long Island. It's hour 45, 2 hours with traffic, maybe a little more. But yeah, enjoy this stance video.
Loser.
One of the other reasons why I bought this car is to literally sleep in the back of this. I know it sounds crazy, but I'm definitely gonna be doing a lot of road tripping and just traveling the country. I wanna see it. I traveled a decent amount of Europe, and I haven't even traveled our homeland. So like, doesn't make sense in my eyes, and I'm gonna show you exactly why I actually bought. So I can't afford to have like a van, you know, like a travel van or whatever. I can't afford like a travel van. This thing's on the gimbal, let me take it off. So with this car, one of the biggest reasons why I actually bought it was to put these seats down and literally sleep in the back. It sounds crazy, but check it out. This thing's really big, the actual cabin itself. So when you put the seats down, especially if I'm on the road and I'm like shooting cars across the country, whole nine, look how much room is back here. So this is a good way to show you guys real quick. If someone's watching this, they're probably like, this dude's a freaking freak. But check it, ready? So I'm like 5'11", and I fit, my feet are in this, no issue. That's literally why I bought this thing. I'm like, yo, I'm gonna make it a road trip car, as it's also a daily. I'm gonna put the trailer hitch on it, and that's gonna be for roller shots. It's gonna be like the all around like go-to vehicle. And yes, I still have the blaze yellow bug eye. It needs a ton of work. It needs a total redo, and I know that, but I didn't want to sell it. It's my first car. And yo, check this bridge out. That's why I like this spot. But yeah, this is honestly why I bought the cars, guys, right here. Well, this car. This is gonna be the travel car, tinted out, lifted. It's 100% getting lifted. I'm not gonna do crazy off-roading tires because I do daily this, and I drive like a lot. I drive like 20, 30,000 miles a year. So this is a quick little video today introducing the new daily. I'm gonna get a couple drone shots. Check this out. So the drone is literally all the way up there. I'll zoom in on it. I don't think you'll be able to see it, but this is the view from the sky. Pretty crazy, huh? That's the ocean. French girls. It's a cod group, man. The little drone is just flying that high. I'm like pretty low on battery though, so I'm gonna fly it down. So I'm lowering the drone right now. There we are. There it is. But yeah, guys, so this is it. This is the new daily, and I kind of made this video because I'm definitely gonna do like a build-ish series on it, you know? Like, I've never really seen a lot of videos of people lifting these, meat tires, so see if I can work some sponsorships out, hopefully. We'll see. I have a few on mind. I've already contacted them. They're interested. And that's it, guys. Thank you. Subscribe. I'm out. Leave comments. Like it. Share it. Do it all. Peace.